I looked on the interwebs and found an article called Slang Terms That People Over 40 Shouldn't Use. And we are both super far away from that age, so we're just helping people in our young
so we can use them.
Our young demographic. I'm gonna quiz my husband.
I'm unprepped. I don't know what is coming here.
Low key. What does low key mean?
Keeping it chill. Low key.
Oh.
Easy.
So yes.
Low key.
Exactly. I low key want to eat an entire cake.
That's how you would use it?
Yeah.
Like, I low key want to use low key like that.
Yeah. I low key want to be a backup dancer.
I'm pretty sure Loki is one of the bad guys in the Avengers, like
that came up on
Norse
Google
god
too.
kind of thing.
Yeah. I low key don't want to meet Loki.
I low key Chris Hemsworth. That doesn't even make more sense. I low key declare Thor my enemy, though my brother.
What about slay?
I think Santa Claus?
Yeah.
Reindeer?
That's what Santa is.
No, it can use it in a sentence. I don't know this one.
Sure. You slayed it.
You slayed
She's
it?
slaying. Look at her and her.
She's slaying? Yeah, you're killing it. You're doing really good at it.
Yeah, you're right. Killing it. What about dead?
Without
Slay
life.
and dead.
It's old. It's done.
When Josh and Ange post something funny, people will be like, dead, skeleton emoji.
Like I'm dying with laughter.
When someone is euphorically happy. What about trill?
Trill.
I can't not.
Woo, 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 woo. There. You can keep that one.
I've never heard it before, but when we
Is
met.
it an acronym?
No.
That really incredible, lovely lady.
That was trill when we met Josh and Ange.
That was trill.
I don't know if I use it.
Trill, obviously it means those really impressive.
It's not an acronym.
Oh.
It's 2 words put together.
Truly ill. Like, that's cool.
No.
Truly chill.
True is one of the words.
True.
True and real. Trill.
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 It'd make more sense to say trill.
What about IRL?
Internal revenue losers. It's a derogatory term of contempt for IRS agents. I've looked that one up before, obviously. Irish Republic League.
Yes.
I don't know.
In real life.
IRL, nobody says IRL, by the way.
What about canceled?
I'm gonna see if I can use this on any young people walking by. Hey, Friends is gonna get canceled on Netflix soon. Or, I mean, The Office, people are slaying. It's a breakup term. We're canceled.
Those high-waisted jeans are canceled. To reject or abandon something because it's no longer trendy or cool.
I don't know if I could say that then, because the high-waisted jeans thing from when I was 8
It's the same
and moms wore those are back. I see
They are
it.
back with the teens and their jeans up to like their it's like a turtleneck. It's like a one-piece jean suit.
It is a jumpsuit. Shrill, slay, dead. It doesn't sound good if I say these things. Trill, slay, dead sounds bad.
It does. It sounds
it's
like
all
a
good.
really sad Christmas story.
It's all good.
What about V? I am V excited to get some.
Very.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you got it. Ghost. Yes.
That's old English,
Ghost.
I think, for like went. It was past tense of go. Ghost.
We hung out for a while, then I ghosted him. I don't know if that's really what you say.
Is it something
Ghosted on
from
him.
a scene in the movie Ghost?
Uh,
I'm guessing it's like you dumped them.
when you completely disappear after hanging out and showing interest in someone.
So it is like it's spelled like a ghost.
Savage.
It's awesome. It's cool. It's lit.
No.
Yeah,
No.
that's savage. Lyrics of that song are sick. They're savage.
I don't think that's what it means.
Oh, sweet kicks. Those are
You-
savage.
I can't believe-
IRL.
I can't believe you left that comment on his Instagram. That was savage.
Oh, so it's just like mean. It's
What about
meaning.
JOMO?
Is it an acronym?
Acronym.
Gestures
Instruct-
over mountainous origami. That doesn't even make sense. Jumping over magnificent openings. Like if a manhole was left uncovered and you had to jump over
Oh.
it. Can you use it in a sentence?
I had some real JOMO from turning off my Instagram all day.
Oh, this is like FOMO. Jolted, jerk, Jehoshaphat. Jitters over missing out.
So close.
Joyful over
Joy
missing
of
out.
missing out. The joy of missing out.
Oh, it's the opposite.
I hope it's been really informative to parents and teens alike. When you're sitting down to have the hard conversations about slang terms, you can watch this video. All your negative feelings can be canceled because you are V nice. You really slayed on this video. Good job.
IRL, ta-ta for now.